In this video I am going to show you how to create 3D effect just like this in CapCut with no stress. Let's get into the video. So open a new project. Then add your video or image you want to turn into a 3D perspective effect into the media panel. Now that my footage is on the media panel, I will trim it a bit then add it to the timeline. Now resize your footage a bit. So I want my video to have round edges, so I am going to create that, but you can skip if you don't want the round corners. So I will go to mask and add the rectangle mask to our video. Now adjust the mask to cover the footage. Then scroll down to round corners under mask settings, and I will set mine at 10. Let's preview our footage and see how it looks, and it's just what I want, so let's get into the tutorial. From here, the next thing to do is go to Effects on the Media panel. Then on the Search tab, search for Player 3, and that's the effect we will be using. So this is the effect, the first one on the list. So add it to the timeline and extend the duration to match your main video. So our effect comes with a fade in, glow and a player, which we don't need, so let's remove that. So now let's deal with the fade in, so increase the speed to 100, and this will make the fade in fast. Then let's remove the glow effect, so set the glow to 0 and this will remove the glow effect from our video. After removing the glow we have to remove the player also, so scroll to texture and set it at 0 also. And now we have a clean screen to work with. Now place the playhead to where you want the 3D effect to start. And I want mine to start right after the fade in effect. Then you go to the attribute panel and add your first keyframe. After adding your first keyframe, move the playhead to where you want the animation to stop. And for this tutorial we will be using the rotation effect, so I will place mine right here. And as you can see, when you bring the slider of the rotation to the left, your video tilts to the left. And if moved to the right, it tilts to the right. So just play around with it until you get what you want. Now that I have what I want, I will move my second keyframe to the end on the video, cause I want the effect to run through to the end. So our video looks like it's shifting to the left side after creating our animation, so let's fix that also, so our video will just be in the middle of the screen. First, highlight all the footage and create a compound clip. After highlighting everything on the screen, right-click then select Create Compound Clip. Then add your first keyframe on transform at the beginning of your footage. Now move the playhead forward a bit, then move your main footage into the middle. And now this will make your footage also be in the middle all the time. And this is how to create this amazing 3D perspective effect in CapCut. So if you like this video, then give us a like and also subscribe. See you in the next video.